is a little problem with this piano. It's a little extra sound in the middle, so I have to find out what it is. Like, you hear a click. I open it here. Then the other one. This. Open that. So it's done. I think the problem, the sound from the click was here. You can hear it now. Usually as the list here is too loose. I have to tighten this bolt here. You hear it? When it's gone. So I have to take the screwdriver here. Here, I take it. Little space. Here too. Tighten them all. And this one. Do it with all of them. Test it if the sound is still there now. It's gone. So the problem is fixed. Some click. I'll try it here inside. Then I put it together again. And then I notice I have to just fix, because I'm here and open the piano, I like to fix few notes like this one. It's not in tune. Find some notes I have to fix, so everybody will be happy, especially me. Put it together. Left pedal jack. Take this to tighten the things here. And this here. Try to move it a little, if everything is working. I see it is working. Some notes were out of tune when I was fixing the problems with the extra sound, so maybe find out how it sounds now. The sound is not longer there. This is what I found in the piano, where the mechanic is. Took it out and it's not good to have it inside. So now I'm going to just pack my things into my bag and go to next piano. Thank you for today.